Francisco Javier Chacon in lane 3 for Spain. He'll get plenty of support. Any second now, the men will make their way to the start. Starting blocks. There is Joanne Lewis Pons. Just scraped into the final. Pons, who took silver in the 400 individual medley. In lane 2, Stefanos Dimitriadis, he took silver behind Stepanovic 5 years ago. He was 4th in Saturday's 100 butterfly final. Christian Ferraro, the second Italian, he's in lane 6. There is Stepanovic, defending his title. He retained his 200 freestyle title on Saturday. And he's bidding to retain his 200 butterfly title, but Filippo Bellincioni of Italy in lane 4, the fastest qualifier. 4 lengths of the pool. There's Christian Ferraro in lane 6. Plenty of cheers to the 2 Spaniards. Underway in the men's 200 butterfly final. Andreas Vassaios of Greece, the 200 individual medley champion. He's in lane 7 in this final. Already you can see the middle lanes pulling ahead. Who's going to be first at the turn? It's Stepanovic just in front of Bellincioni. France's Jordan Coelho down in lane 1, turned in 3rd place, and actually Coelho looks to be in the lead at this stage. Good turn from the Frenchman. Now it looks like Bellincioni is just edged in front. Bellincioni and Stepanovic and Coelho, those 3 just a little bit clear of the rest of the field at the halfway stage. Who's going to touch first? Bellincioni just 7/100ths of a second ahead of Stepanovic. Coelho in 3rd. We'll see if the men behind have left something in reserve for the second 100 metres. You can see Coelho already starting to tie up, and it is Stepanovic who's into the lead. Stepanovic, and up in lane 7, Vassaios of Greece, the individual medley champion over 200 metres. He's right in there with a shout of goal. Coming up to the final turn, who's going to turn in front? It's Stepanovic from Vassaios with Bellincioni in 3rd. Those are the medals as it stands, but there's so much could happen over this last 40 metres or so. Stepanovic looks to be just in the lead. Vassaios in 2nd, Bellincioni in 3rd. Good finish from Stefanos Dimitriadis of Greece in lane 2. He's coming there, but it looks like Stepanovic is going to retain his title. And I think Dimitriadis is going to get silver again. It's gold for Serbia. It's gold once again for Velimir Stepanovic. Close for silver. Stefanos Dimitriadis, I think, has got silver again, just as he did 5 years ago. But there is your champion yet again. What a week he is having. Been a mainstay of the relay teams for Serbia as well. Took gold in the 4x100 freestyle relay. Produced a stunning first leg yesterday in the 4x200 freestyle, which helped Serbia to silver. Bellincioni confirmed as getting silver. Did I hear a dead heat for bronze? Waiting for confirmation, but Stepanovic retains his title. Superb effort from the Serb, born in Abu Dhabi.